What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Spyder Rt Buff, back with another video. Y'all know what it is. Back at it again. Phantom Shield Immobilizer for the Can Am Spyder. All models. If you've been already subscribed to my channel or seen my other video, I did it on the Ryker. Same thing. Had the extra remote. About to do it on the Spyder. So y'all know how it is. I'm gonna get with it. Let's just get right into it, alright? First thing first, push down on your remote to the right and lift up your seat. Once you lift up your seat, pull these panels off. Go easy with it. It's tabs. Oh, I hate. I'm scared. I'm so scared to pull this stuff off. Oh man. Metal tabs. I hate it. Okay. So you got metal tabs. Be very gentle with it, y'all. You don't want to break nothing. I hate even taking it off. But I have to do the install. Lay it down so anyway you won't step on it. And then I gotta do the same thing on the other side. Same thing. Easy. Same thing. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metal tabs. But you don't wanna. You wanna be easy with it. You wanna. Got holes right here. Sit that down where you won't step on it. Then you get your push pin tool, which I have plenty of. Just trying to see which one to grab. Which would be this one here. Also, you take your gas cap off. You don't want nothing to fall down in there. Okay? Put that up on here. Got like a holder. I guess it's a holder. If you take this here, and stuff it in here. Because you don't want nothing to go down in the fuel tank. Yo, these bikes burn gas. These bikes burn gas. Yes, they do. Take your push pin tool and you push pin this one. And this one. Alright? But then we won't lose them. I'm gonna lay right there because you want to pull up on this on both sides to get to the fuel pump. I don't know why I had to do that side, but that's what it says. Oh, that's right. The whole thing comes up. Let's go to the other side. The push pins right here. That one here. Take your time. Pop them up. And there's another one right here. There it is. Spider webs in here. And find somewhere to live, spiders. Always one, right? Whoa. One came all the way up. Oh man, where'd it go? Where the fuck that went? Shit. You see? That's the bullshit. Mother. You see that? Now I gotta take this whole panel off. bullshit. Okay, guys. So after you pull up on this thing right here, you want to get to the fuel pump. Hold on a second. All right, yeah. So after you get it up, see this here plug. This is your fuel pump plug. This is the plug you want. Slowly push that off like that. Put your hand back here in between here like this. Pass that plug through right here. Take your immobilizer. You're gonna plug one end into the fuel pump and the other end back into there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it up over top right here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it over the top, which to me might be easier to plug in. This end gonna go into the plug itself. I'll just see what I'm doing. They got a plug right here. This ain't gonna go into there. Let's see me better this way. Oh yeah, I got more plate right here. Okay. Let me see if I can bring it down. Right here where you can see it. Yeah, so you're gonna put this plug in here. Yes, this way. No, this way. Make sure you hear that clip. Then you're gonna take this end and plug it back into the fuel pump where you took the other one out of. Oh, sure hurt my back. All right. I'm gonna plug this one. Let me see if I can work it from the other side. Drop the doggone rubber clip, man. Pissing me off. It fell. I'm gonna have to take my panels off, y'all. I need to find that clip. Okay. What we working with here? And this cord around here. I need to plug this one up. Alright, turn that around. No, let's plug that one in first. Let's try that. Let's plug this one in first. Put this on here. Alright, you can go there. I'll bring like this. There we go. Make this make sense, y'all. Right? There we go. Put that in there. You go down by the hand like this. And turn. There you go. Keep turning. There you go. Click. Make sure you get that click in there. Then you take this in. And plug this in here. Click. Okay, now we got that on. Now, what you want to do is make sure it works before you do anything else. Take key. Turn it back on. And for the cycle. Now it shouldn't start. No, it won't start. Now with it on, hit a click. There you go. Extend your little antenna right here. And tuck that up under here. Now it should shut off. When I hit the lock button. There you go. Immobilizer. With Can Am Rt, Can Am Spyder. Get yours today. It's your boy Rt Buff 900. Sorry. It's your boy Spyder Rt Buff. Back with another one. Be safe, ride safe. See you on the next one. I gotta get used to not saying Riker. Peace. I'm out.